Welcome to my channel. I'm Khandokar Robi in Bangladesh at my village home. You see some catfish in front of me. In this video, I will share how people of Bangladesh caught catfish. You see there is some fish and in front of me. We use some salt. If you use salt with catfish, it instantly kills the fish. And to catch it right, we use ashes from the oven, and it's pretty much good to go. Now you're seeing in this video, in next clip, that I'll be keep cutting. It has some sharp parts of the fish, so it's got to be really careful, otherwise you might get hurt. Since I'm experienced and I did it before, it's not that tough. But if you are very new, you got to be very careful. You see some duck. There's a little baby duck in my village. They usually always around, and it's kind of fun to watch. It might take a little while to finish, and when I'm done with cutting this fish, I'll go to the water, and there's two ways to clean. First of all, we do it like this, like you take the fish and you put that on the surface and rub it with the salt or even with your bare hand. If you rub it right, this fish will be pretty much pretty clear. You will see in a moment when I finish cutting at the beginning. You see this little duck? It's always fun. They always give me trouble, but it's really fun to watch. So I'm pretty much done. I'll be done with cutting. So you see it? Yeah, there you see. In this video, I will now rub this fish, putting on the floor. And before that, I was cleaning the egg from the fish. The egg of catfish is really great. And you see the leaf in my hand. You see on the right side? Yeah, so I'm gonna use those, but before I'm showing you guys how to clean from the floor. I did it already. Now I'm gonna clean with the leaf. This is a papaya leaf. If you have a papaya leaf in your home, it's really great. You rub it up, you smash that shit, and it will really make it way cleaner. But if you don't have that papaya leaf, you can do as I show you. You can put the fish on the floor and rub it with your hand, and it will be pretty clean. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and stay with me. I'll be back again with another video. Stay well till then. Thanks for watching.